Accused Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann returned to court today in Riverhead.
Yeah, Heuermann is accused of 7 murders, which defense lawyers want separated into several trials. They're also calling for the judge to throw out DNA evidence, claiming the lab that did the analysis is not credible. Long Island reporter Chanteé Lans has more on today's court appearance from Riverhead.
Accused Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann returns to Suffolk Court for another conference. The Manhattan architect from Massapequa Park and father of 2 is accused of killing 7 of the 10 Gilgo Beach murder victims. All women, mostly sex workers, spanning from 1993 to 2011. Heuermann was charged with first-degree murder in the slayings of Melissa Barthélemy, Amber Costello, and Megan Waterman. He was charged with second-degree murder in the deaths of Maureen Brainerd Barnes, Jessica Taylor, Valerie Mack, and Sandra Castillo. He pleaded not guilty to all charges. His defense team is asking Suffolk Supreme Court Justice Timothy Mazzei to exclude DNA evidence from the case and to try Heuermann for the killings of Barthélemy, Costello, and Waterman separately from the other 4 Gilgo victims. Heuermann's attorney, Michael Brown, says he wants to break up the trial to avoid wrongly convicting him on all 7 slayings.
Each charge must fall or rise on its own, and you never want to use evidence that's unrelated, which would prejudice the jury's determination.
Obviously, we thought that there were good grounds to join the case initially through the grand jury, and we think that that the case should be tried as one case.
The judge set a start date for a Fry hearing to debate which DNA evidence can be admissible in Heuermann's murder trial. His attorneys want the judge to throw out nuclear DNA results obtained from hairs recovered from 6 victims. The DNA match came from a technique called whole genome sequencing, which has never been used in New York State courts.
I also expect that we'll be calling witnesses to support our position and basically indicate that this is not acceptable science, and that's the standard in New York.
This is an application of a very reliable and well-used science that we have to litigate.
The Fry hearing is expected to start in 2 weeks on March 28th. In Riverhead, Chanteé Lans, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.